we are going to sign in as new business owners. As I said, we have been in debt for quite some time. It becomes so chronic that we are no more enjoying our life. We are no more enjoying our employment. Because every time we get paid, 80% is going back to refill the debts. Is this a good lifestyle? Is this what we need? So the gentlemen have noticed this, and today they have decided we are going to join forever so that we make our pockets heavy and our livelihood heavy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, those who doesn't know more about Forever, I want to tell you that Forever Living Business came to rescue us from all those spirits, bad addictions, and stagnations. Forever Living Business is a well-tested business. It stood tall even during the most devastating time of COVID-19. Forever Living Business has transformed financially, psychologically, and health of the living testimony. Forever Living Business has transmitted unemployment into millionaires. Those who have traveled and those who have been in Forever for quite some time and traveled outside Namibia